Hey students, it's Mr. Fleece here and I'm in the art room. I want to show you what's inside your art kit. Ready? Let's get in it. Wow! The big bag that has your name printed here is going to be yours to keep for the trimester to store your art materials and projects in as you create them. Then for additional projects we do, I'm going to give them to you in these smaller bags, and it's going to have the project title here and maybe some instructions along the top. This is the bag that you're going to be returning back to school with those materials that you don't use or reusable. The first thing you're going to see in your art kit, you're going to see this caution sign. That's because there's a needle in here that we're going to use for our sketchbook project, so be careful not to hurt yourself. You're also going to see right here a list of items that are in your bag. There will be a pack of crayons in there. There is a pencil, a artist eraser, and also a pencil sharpener. You have 3 sheets of origami paper. You also have this contour drawing of a person for a reflective activity that we're going to do next week. And you have this kit includes the tools that you need for your sketchbook. There's the needle. I put sharp on it. It's in there, so be careful. There's wax thread we're gonna need, and then also if you look here, this is your sketchbook and it's partly assembled. So I don't want you to remove those paper clips because it'll fall apart and you'll have a hard time stitching your binding if those come out. So this will be ready for when we get to that project. See the stack of just plain paper. This is just practice sketch paper. It's just there for you to use as scratch paper. If you're in high school painting, you're also gonna have a few additional supplies. You're gonna have a round watercolor brush, a palette that has primary colors of watercolor already put in it, and then you're gonna have 5 sheets of watercolor paper. 4 of them are small, and then you have 1 large. I ask that you respect those supplies and take really good care of them because we definitely need you to return any supplies that you don't use or reusable supplies like the palettes, the paint brushes, the needles, the paper clips. I need you to return those so I have them for the next trimester for other students. Let's get started making art. Wow!